Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to disable your Ford Ranger's seat belt chime. First, make sure your vehicle is in park and the ignition is completely off. Next, turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. You'll then need to wait for the seat belt warning light on your dashboard to turn off completely. Now, within 60 seconds of the light turning off, buckle and unbuckle the driver's seat belt 3 times. It's crucial that the seat belt remains unbuckled after the 3rd cycle. You should then see the seat belt warning light flash momentarily, indicating that the system has entered its programming mode. To finalize the disablement, buckle and unbuckle the seat belt one last time. The warning light will flash again, confirming that the seat belt chime status has been successfully changed. Finally, turn the ignition completely off. This action saves your new setting, and the annoying chime should now be disabled for future drives. If you ever wish to re-enable the seat belt chime, simply repeat this entire sequence. The same steps will toggle the alert back on. Remember, always prioritize safety on the road. Also, for other great tips and deals, including those fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, be sure to check the description below this video. We've got some helpful links there for you.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.